AI ShipOwner 538. The question is, are we going to spend 100 billion in this huge database center with the microchips of NVIDIA? Because we, Tesla and Oracle, had a meeting with NVIDIA CEO and then we bought these chips. And now we are so lucky, we are paying so much as you want, NVIDIA. So is this AI or AI is let's have these applicant tools a format of ShipOwner and let's embark, or is it then let's do what the rest of the ShipOwners policy they have, like Eastern European officers, top officers, and then Filipino rest, junior and ratings, or let's think different. Why? Because there is an invasion of Ukraine, so we cannot have Russians now, these huge transfers of money to Russia that we cannot, and even the USA is getting some of those dollars. So how can we really solve this AI issue? Well, some by empty pockets and others by making these videos and asking seafarers to embark, being transparent, have zero corruption, transparency, ESG, corporate social responsibility, shipping, even the face here to the issue and where are we going, talking about wages that are not going to grow. No, they are going to keep as is, but there is huge solutions. In Europe, is this AI? Well, tell me if generating 44 million jobs, if that is AI or what is it, instead of really buying these databases. So, well, dear ShipOwner, we are here to solve your AI issues. We have AI selection department. Many have computers doing interviews. That's not possible. We need humans to interview humans. And we know that the ships before had with these kind of ships that were about 150 years old or 120 years old, had 25 crew. Now they have 8, 7. Is that AI? Of course, because the certificates and licenses and experience and interviews and the compliance systems that we have are really very strict. But then, are you thinking in a new policy for your crewing? Then contact Candina because we have the best AI system. This video is a proof. Thank you, bye.